Hi, in this lesson we will learn how to use visual pivot table in Visio. We have an Excel file with data from a company, all the staff member and their salary, and I need to create a visual summary for the salary by department or by building or any other scenario when you wanted to create or break down a number value. I will open Visio, and if it is the first time, I will search for pivot. If I cannot see it here, I can find it under business, or I can even use the search. When I find pivot diagram, I'll choose the wizard to create a pivot diagram based on a data. My data is an Excel file on the desktop, and my Excel file must continue or have a range name. If you don't know how to create a range name, you can select it manually from the Visio. But in our case, we have HR list. We will use all the data from our file, and once we finish, now by default he chooses the ID and create a summary for the ID, but it is not the case. Actually, what we need to do is to sum the salary. So using the pivot diagram, I will sum salary, not the ID. I can create more than one calculation, so I can sum the salary and count the ID. So our salary is 37 million for 741 staff members. Now I need to break this down by building. So I just click on salary, then click on building. Now this amount of salary and this number of staff member break down into different building in my organization. For better display, I will repeat the same steps using a small file. In this file we have some product, only 3 salesperson and sales. I just want to make sure that this range has a name, sales split. Then I will go to the Visio to create a pivot. So file, pivot diagram. I will use an Excel file. Now what we have here is the total sales. I want to break the sales by the salesperson. So once I click on the salesperson, it breaks down. If I click on the break point, then click on product, now I have breakdown the sales of John by product. I can do the same for Nancy. I can do the same for Steven. So now I have a hierarchy for my values. Of course, if this layout is not suitable, I can select the breakpoint and change the direction. Visio is a very powerful application, and this data is linked to the original file. So if any modification done in the original file, at any time you can refresh your data.